As we are decentralized now, to have our token, you need to create a wallet. You can create a wallet anywhere like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or wherever you want. But today I'm going to show you how to create a wallet in MetaMask and configure it for the Reacon Cash token. First of all, you need to install MetaMask in your web browser or mobile. MetaMask is available for both Android and iOS. Firstly, go to metamask.io and click Download. Then click Install MetaMask for Chrome. Click Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. Wait for MetaMask to be installed. Click Get Started. Click Create a Wallet. Click I agree. Set a password and check the terms of use. Click Create and then click Next. Click the blurry area to reveal your secret phrase. Copy the phrase and save it and then click Next. Confirm your secret phrase from where you saved it and click Confirm. Click All Done, but we are not done yet. Go to Network from Settings. To add Binance Smart Chain to MetaMask, click Add Network. Fill in the information as it is. Click Save. Now Binance Smart Chain is ready to go. Click Import Tokens and put the contract address. Click Add Custom Token and then click Import Tokens. We are all done now. Good job, your MetaMask is ready to use Reacon Cash token. You can use Binance Smart Chain Wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, SafePal, iMe, and many more to store Reacon Cash. You just need to create your wallet. Have a nice journey with Reacon Cash.
Reacon Cash, better than usual.